What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Galaxy A53 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. We have the Galaxy A53 5G that we're going to be talking about in this video today. We have things that we're talking about like the renders, the battery upgrades, and some other color stuff. So first and foremost, we have a render of the Galaxy A53 5G, as you guys can see right here. So taking a look at the A53 5G, the screen is very much the same as the A52. We're still going to have that chin at the bottom that is very prominent. The right and left side of the device is going to look pretty much the same. It does look like we do have like this silver band around the phone. I don't know if that's going to be the same for every single phone, but it looks like we do have a little bit of a design change, as the color on the sides of the device is going to be different than the actual color that comes out of the box. Also, taking a look at the back of the phone, it looks like we pretty much have the same design as the A52 5G. They said there were enhancements to the screen as far as the shape and everything, so hopefully they're going to stay true to that. Honestly, I really did enjoy the A52's form factor, and I feel like the A53 5G is gonna definitely deliver pretty much the same thing, but I'm not really complaining, honestly. We still have that hole punch camera, but the big thing about this is we're not going to have a headphone jack. Hopefully for mid-range devices, they're not going to take out the charger and the wireless adapter and all that type of stuff. That would kind of suck, to be quite honest, especially since they started doing that on the flagship devices, and these devices are usually about half the price or even less than a flagship device. That would honestly suck in my opinion, but we will not have a 3.5mm headphone jack on our A53 5G anymore. Tell me what you think about that in the comment section down below, because I'm really interested. Now, as you guys can see right there, it goes into further detail that the M52 5G actually had its 3.5mm connector removed, just like the A53 5G. It says the trend will probably continue, as judging by these renders, the upcoming Galaxy A53 5G will also ditch the 3.5mm connector, instead relying on Bluetooth and the USB-C port to connect with external speakers, headphones, and earbuds. So hopefully they do give you some sort of free headphones with pre-order for the A53 5G. That would be really cool, actually. That would be really awesome of Samsung, especially since this is something new that they're introducing to the mid-range buyer. I think that would be pretty appropriate, to be quite honest. But it says the good news is the wireless earbuds are now better and more affordable than before. Yes, they definitely are. It says, and there's a wider selection of USB-C headphones on the market. The bad news is that if you have audiophile grade equipment that requires a 3.5mm standard, you'll have to use a dongle to connect your gear to the phone. Most users will do just fine without the 3.5mm audio port though. Yeah, and if you guys are pretty anal about this type of stuff and you are an audiophile, then you probably are going to have another device to listen to music on. It says the Galaxy A53 5G reportedly will have a thinner profile than the A52 5G, the latter of which measures 8.4mm. So after they took out the audio port, obviously that gave us a thinner phone right there, and that gave them the option to make this device a thinner phone as well. Now, the other thing about the new A53 is it's going to have a bigger battery. It says the Galaxy Club, shout out to them, has uncovered information that the Galaxy A53 will feature a battery bearing part number EBBA536ABY. This battery has a 5,000 milliamp capacity, and the A52 recently had a 4,500 milliamp capacity. So that's really cool that we're getting the upgrade of 500 milliamps. I think that's a really good choice. It also says the big battery coupled with the efficiency gains from the new processor should make the battery life on the A53 much better compared to its predecessor. However, we'll only be able to know once it actually comes out, so it is probably going to be seeing an upgrade. This article says it's unclear right now which chipset Samsung might use for the Galaxy A53. Some rumors suggest that there's a new mid-range Exynos chipset with AMD graphics in the works. Hopefully that is true. If not, I'm sure we'll be getting something that is comparable or even better than the A52, as well as the new software upgrade, obviously from Android 11 to Android 12. That's going to be inevitable as well, so we're going to get, those new features with Android 12. Now, last but not least, the A53 color variants have been revealed by a new leak, and we're going to go over those colors right now. So this is kind of cool. They're going to have some pretty weird colors on here, or one weird color, honestly, in my opinion. The rest are pretty vanilla, but it seems that the Galaxy A53 will be available in a total of 4 color variants. It's going to be black, white, light blue, which is my favorite color, and orange. Orange is that's kind of crazy. That I feel like Samsung would do some type of stuff like that. I think they actually did that on the Pixel 4, if I'm not mistaken. But if they come out with something like some orange spice type of phone, looks dope, I'm probably gonna end up picking that one up, to be quite honest. Leave in the comment section down below which Galaxy A53 you want me to pick up. But orange is definitely a color that I've never really thought about Samsung adopting in their mid-range line, so that's honestly pretty cool. It's definitely going to be different. So yeah guys, let me know in the comment section down below when it's actually being fully released. I'm definitely going to make a video about everything on the A53 and the official release, but for right now we have the colors and some of those other leaks and stuff like that. But so far it looks decent. Obviously we're going to have to see the price. That's going to be the dictator of everything, to be quite honest, and I'm really hoping that Samsung actually does come out with those new Exynos processors. And obviously there was a chip shortage, so that's something that can realistically happen, to be quite honest. So hopefully that all happens. But if you guys did enjoy this video and you guys did get some value from this video, definitely leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.